Sales myths. There's no skill required to sell. Anybody can do it. Indeed, there are lots of people who have tried to sell and failed miserably. The multi-level sales organisations of the world are testimony to that. They have thousands of members, but less than 1% of those are generating their revenue. It's a very small percentage of the population. It's less than 5% if you need to proactively make phone calls and initiate sales conversations. Find out if you are one of those 5% before you waste your life and oodles of your money learning to sell when it just isn't you.